Hi everyone, it's Ding Ding Kitchen, back with another potluck recipe. Today, I'm going to be sharing my famous mango salad. Try making this for this year's potluck, and next year, you might just be invited to a few more potlucks. Let's get started. Start by peeling the mangoes. You can use any type of mangoes you like, as long as it's fresh and ripe. Next, cut some purple onions. Now cut some red peppers. For the cucumbers, I like to peel a little bit of the skin, but this is optional. Now for the sauce, combine sugar, vinegar, lime juice, fish sauce, and olive oil. Mix well. Now we can add it to the salad and mix it all together, but don't overmix. Lastly, plate and add some sesame seeds or crushed peanuts. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.